rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hey everyone, I'm Steph Beckett. Welcome to another episode of Rants and Raves. In this pre-InfoComm series we are telling you guys all about which sessions you should check out at the show, as well as some of the booths and technologies that you should check out at the show. And joining me on this episode is Matt Barfield, Senior Manager of Professional Services for Promethean. First of all, Matt, how are you?
I'm great, Steph. Thanks so much for having me on today. I'm excited about this. Yeah.
Of course. For everyone watching and listening, tell them a little bit about who you are and what you do.
Sure. So my name is Matt Barfield. The Senior Director or Senior Manager of Professional Services is a smidge misleading. It's because I also get to play around with all the new tech, right? So I've been with Promethean now for over 16 years and have been in the professional services area, which is a pre and a post sales type of role. And so that gives me the opportunity to kind of touch all the equipment when it's brand new, to get to learn the ins and the outs, get excited about it, and then deliver that in demonstrations, to calls like this, and to be on those floors, right, those show floors, and to introduce people to Promethean from all walks of business. So it's a great role, right? I truly love being in this role because we do the whole thing, and then we get to follow up with here's the training, here's what you need to be successful to ensure that the use of it. So so that's pretty much
That's awesome. Yeah. So let's talk about Promethean for a second, because I think a lot of people who are familiar know it primarily from the education space.
Sure.
How has the company's strategy kind of evolved as y'all have expanded further into workplace and corporate environments?
Yeah, it's a great question, and we definitely have. It's probably hard for me to not say we're a K-12 company because that's where I came from, was the K-12 universe, and then been part of the Promethean ecosystem for almost 23 years, like from my classroom and all. But at the same time, though, just because that's where we've been, or what we've been known as, it's not where we've just been, right? So over the years that I've been here, we've been in and out of local government, business, and we're just where there's been a need for a large display, something to be interactive, something reliable and easy to use. So it makes it a natural fit for us to not just be in the K-12 classroom, but to be in the classroom, to be in the boardroom, to be where the collaboration needs to happen. And that doesn't need to be tied to it's just K-12. It's down to it just needs to be where collaboration is at, right? And that's because we're all learning. Every business is learning. And so it gives us an opportunity then to start to reach out and to figure out what are the best ways for us to reach into corporations, into healthcare, into local and state government, into, just any education location that would go along with, training centers and all of that as well. Because as you've noticed, as you go around all these different businesses that we're in today, digital signage is everywhere. Now you're starting to see more interactive where we can touch and drive the map that's in front of us, trying to figure out where we're at, and doing all of those things, then it becomes very natural for a company who can deliver to an education system, which means we're making it super easy to do. We're making it less clicks. We're making it intuitive, that it fits everywhere else, right? So it's an exciting time for us as we really are driving that notion. And this will be my second InfoComm. And it's great to see that we're playing in this field with all of these other players that I've seen for years. And now we're right there incorporating with them, right? And looking for those places that want to incorporate with us. So it's an exciting time, for sure.
No, great answer. And yeah, like you mentioned, you guys are going to be at InfoComm this year, and you're showcasing everything from interactive displays to digital signage and device management and collaboration tools. So you kind of mentioned this, but how important is it today for you and companies like yourselves to offer a complete ecosystem rather than just a display?
Well, to make it a complete ecosystem means that you've got to have some great partnerships. And I think our focus this year is really on maturing our partnerships and making sure that those that we bring into the Infocom scenario allows for us to be viewed as not just a piece to the puzzle, but we are the whole puzzle, right? We are all the pieces, and that you can run everything through what we do, right? We've got a partnership with Logitech and MaxHub that we're going to be working through with our Cinex distributor. We've got display note collaboration. We're working with rAVe to bring alert messaging and all. That also is helping with our digital displays and all of those. Our new D series, which is, it's just going to be great. We've got the ability to manage it. So we're starting to get into this opportunity now that no matter the device, no matter the setup that you have, we fit into that. So we're meeting customers where they're at, right? And to be honest, without having to say K-12 again, that's what we've been doing is going in and meeting it where you are as a district, as a university, as a small family business. It doesn't matter, but we're going to come in and be agnostic to you. And that right there has probably been my favorite word for the last 5 or 6 years at Promethean. It's just that we're agnostic. We come in and allow you to use the decisions you made instead of having to stop and then change your direction, right? And we do that. Last year we got product of the year at Infocom, right? And it's our big splash back in. We got best of show at ISE this year, right? So we're not just coming in with a panel. We're not just coming in with non-touch displays. We're coming in with a story and welcoming people to come and be a part of our story or let us be a part of theirs, right? And that's why we're excited about this next step for us.
Absolutely. And another thing that stands out to me about you guys is that you make a big focus on supporting different collaboration ecosystems, so Teams and Zoom and Google. So why is that flexibility important for organizations of all types that are making those decisions today?
Yeah, and that's our everyday conversation, because as soon as you go and align only with one, how many potential customers are you saying no to, right? Yeah. So, and nowadays, like I use Teams, Zooms, and Google Meet with any given day, right? Like it's all based on what the customer end needs, right? Oh, you guys are all Zoom? Okay, great. We'll set a Zoom call up. Or, so, and with the platforms that we work with, whether it's Windows, whether it's Android, whether it's Chrome, they all support all of those as well, right? So we see a lot of Windows when we come into our higher ed, into our corporate, our healthcare side, because that's the ecosystem they're already working in there. But we have our MTR set up with the MaxHub collaboration, but we also have the ability to set up Zoom rooms and support that locally on the devices. Of course, for those smaller businesses, or even some that are just like, we like the way the Google ecosystem works, we can support that as well. And whether it's our own camera that plugs in, or working with our Logitech, or any of those other collaborative pieces that you can just simply plug and play, that again makes it back to that agnostic conversation we were talking about. But we have to be able to play in all platforms for us to be successful, and to be able to give a reason for those installers, for those integrators, for those end user customers to invest in Promethean.
Absolutely. So as attendees are walking the Infocom show floor this year, what is one reason that you would give them to stop by Promethean and check out everything that you guys have to offer?
Wow, one reason? I was joking earlier. It's of course to see me, right? You want to come and do a tour of the booth with Matt Barfield, right? Like that right there will take care of everything. But no, I kid a little there, because I do get very, very animated when I'm in front of our hardware and in front of our customers. But just to come in and hear our story, right? And to let us hear your story, and then while we're standing there listening, we're already putting that plan together to say, oh, this sounds like you need, and let's walk over and take a look at it, because we're going to be addressing the way that it's used in healthcare, the way that it's used in higher ed, the way that it's used in a training scenario versus a collaborative boardroom versus just a boardroom. So we're going to have all of these different scenarios set up, and giving that end user who walks into our booth the ability to really see how they integrate and how we fit into what they're already doing as a plug and play solution, right? One that's easy to adapt right as you go in, but we can give you that tour, right? We're going to have the digital displays. We're going to have the ability to touch, and we're going to be sampling a couple of new things while we're there, right? So it's going to be worth the visit. If anything else, it's just going to be exciting for you, right? It's not just going to be, oh, take a look at our products. It's going to be a journey. It's going to be an adventure as you step into the booth. So you're going to not want to miss us as you're walking around the floor. I know there's a lot of booths. Infocom blew me away last year when I was like, oh my gosh, this is so big. But you got to put that on your list to visit booth C6209, right? So, or 6209, or however you want to say it and break it down. But you've got to come see us, right? Because it will be an adventure for you, and definitely something you're going to want to consider moving forward.
Amazing. And last question for you is, where can people connect with you online, and where can they find more about Promethean?
Absolutely. So you can find me on LinkedIn, right? That's the easiest. I'm Matt Barfield, right? But you can find a lot of my Promethean colleagues there as well, especially, our CRO. He was supposed to be on with us today, Mr. Michael Strand. You can find him. He's always posting about things there. But you also can go out to PrometheanWorld.com, where we've got a lot of those different scenarios set up where you are looking for, we want to integrate into this, or we were looking to install this over into healthcare. And we're going to, we've taken care of a lot of those kind of stories, if you will, there. But yeah, it's a great place to get started. You can reach out to us from there, and then that gets funneled, we can then follow back up. But at least shoot us a little message. Say you're going to be at Infocom. You'd love to spend some time with us, maybe even get into a behind the panel session, which is our favorite thing to do. It's kind of the secret room, right? Where you get to come in and see all the new stuff that's coming. And we'll even talk a little K-12 with you if you want to talk about that, right? We're not afraid to talk about anything that makes your business, your higher ed, whatever you're doing, it's going to make it better. And if you're in for making it better and using an agnostic solution that just works, you got to come by and see Promethean. Yeah.
Awesome. Amazing. Well, Matt, thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Rants and Raves. I appreciate your time.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
Of course. And for everyone watching and listening, don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/Infocom for all your Infocom 2026 news. Again, I'm Steph Beckett, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll